Most people think a factory reset only erases your data, but what actually happens goes much deeper. It affects your privacy, your security, and even your phone's performance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's happening under the hood, and some of it might surprise you. Before we start, like this video, share it, and subscribe for weekly tech insights you won't want to miss. First, a common misconception. A factory reset does not remove the operating system. It restores your phone to its original software state, just like it came out of the box. Your apps, settings, and personal files are erased. Temporary files, caches, and system logs are cleared, often making your phone feel faster. But here's the key point. Some data can still be recovered if it isn't securely wiped. That's why many users encrypt their data or use specialized tools before resetting. Here's something many people miss. App permissions are reset too. Every app now has to ask for access again. This improves privacy and ensures old permissions don't compromise your data. For anyone upgrading or selling a phone, this step is crucial to keep personal information safe. Some hidden system files may still remain, carrying traces of data, which is why advanced users take extra precautions. Curious what these hidden files are and why they matter? A factory reset also refreshes your system partitions. Think of it as a deep clean. It removes unnecessary clutter, restores default settings, and improves performance. It touches both software and security layers, making your phone feel like new without reinstalling the operating system. Some sensitive data, like system logs or encryption keys, may persist in hidden areas, though most personal files are gone. But here's something even tech-savvy users often overlook. These hidden remnants are usually harmless, but could theoretically be accessed with advanced tools. That's why if you want complete privacy, extra measures like encryption before resetting are recommended. Did you know a simple reset isn't always enough? So, a factory reset is more than just deleting files. It's a deep system refresh affecting performance, privacy, and security. But the big question remains, what exactly happens to the hidden files that even a reset cannot remove? The answer might surprise you and could change how you handle your device in the future. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tech deep dives every week.